Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Captain Gala FX. You can find me in all the social media platform, the Captain Gala FX. Now today is another video. We're gonna do another video on the same, and this is what nowadays we'll be using because I promised you that going live on TikTok will be very hard on my side because of some kind of the negativity of the same. But we'll be back soon. I think by next week or late this week. Now today I'd remove everything about the Sunday analysis on gold, and I took a trade yesterday on gold, and I made something out of gold because I took a trade from I took a TP. My TP was at 1924, and I took a trade from 1915. Then I closed the trade at 1924. Now today I want to do a simple analysis on gold, some good simple analysis on gold, because I have seen that we'll be doing analysis of some good analysis of pairs on YouTube. Every weekend we'll be posting those analysis on the YouTube as videos, so that you can also know how I always analyze those given pairs, so that you can also have an hint on where you're going wrong on the same. And after every Fridays we'll be doing a reviews on those pairs we analyzed, so that we can get to know where should we adjust on the same, and where should we give full focus on the same. Now today let us get back to the video without making very many stories. Now the first thing I told you to when you analyze a market, you always check the trend of the market, and I had already told you that market will always be the trend. The safest way to trade for any forex market or any asset in the market is always to identify the trend of the market. If you are able to identify the trend of the market, you're good to go. That is identifying the trend of the market. That is the first thing you need to do in the market. After identifying the trend of the market, will be good to go. Now the next thing to do in the market is identifying the key zones. Now you should be able to identify the key zones. By identifying the key zones, you're able to trade a BOS break of structures, because I'm a price action trader. You'll be able to identify the BOS zones, stroke the change of character zones. You can be able to identify the order blocks. Now you are able to identify liquidity grabs, liquidity zones, liquidity grabs. Now all these you will be able to identify once you are able to identify the key zones. Key zones, basically those are the support zones and the resistance zones. That is very key when you are undertaking any forex trading. Now after that, I told you that you can be able to identify the possible chart patterns, identify the possible chart patterns, and possible market structures. Now you must be able to identify the possible chart patterns and the possible market structure. That is a very good way on perfecting a trade, because when you are able to identify a possible market structures or possible chart patterns in the market, you are able to identify you're able to identify a good opportunity from the market. You're able to identify an appropriate on a good opportunity from the market. Now what we now look at, the last thing is you do a top-down analysis of the same. That is the following. Now do a top-down analysis, top-down analysis of the same, which means this means that you should be able to analyze the market on the 1 minute time on the 1 month time frame, breaking down even up to 1 day time frame or 1 hour time frame. If you are an intraday trader or if you are a day trader, you can be able to go up to 1 hour time frame. Now that is the top down analysis, and that one will confirm the entry of the market. Now let us now get back to the business. We see how do we want to analyze this market. Today we are going to have two analyses of gold, but remember, the only thing we are going to wait for, or the only thing we are going to be interested in, is arriving at the same movement of the market, na kuangalia, and the market is going to take the same movement, and the main aim is to make money from the market. That is our main aim. Now today we'll start, we'll be looking at the monthly time frame. What is the trend of the monthly time frame? The market is supporting an upward trend, which means we are in a bullish trend that is supporting a buy. If you go to the weekly time frame, the same, we are in a bullish trend. The market is supporting a buy. The trend of the market we can confirm on the 1 day time frame, 4 hour time frame. The market is on a bullish movement, that is support of a buy. If you go to 1 hour time frame, the same, but we will analyze it from this given zone. I told you the first thing, you come here and mark your key zones. Yes, after marking that key zones, we have to mark it for us to identify the pause of the same. Yes, I think that one will be good. That one will be good. Yes, that is I hope we have marked that zone. Now then the next zone we're going to mark is this given zone. This given zone. Yes, this zone. Yes, this zone. Okay, that is a good movement of the same. Yes, that movement of this given zone. That movement of this given zone. Yes. Now there's another zone here, because this is a zone I took this trade yesterday, but I never shared it with my VIP signal group, because I know many people will be messing up. Many people could bypass that zone. I took a trade and I took the TP at 1924 from 1915. Then I took the TP at 1924. The reason why I never gave out this trade, because it was a short-term buy, and I knew this zone was going to be rejected of the same. Now I did not want to share it, because I know some people could attempt to buy it past this zone, this given zone, but that one was a short-term movement of the market. Then if you can check out here, we have a zone which is here, which means our break we are going to target to 1946 of the same. Yes, that is a whooping 1946 move. Now how are we going to take these trades? We are going to take this trade on this way. Break of this zone, we are going to sell. A break of this zone, sell. Yes, which means for when this zone is broken, we are going to sell to 1884. Then we sell to 1868. Yes. Now, what about another movement? The market might come here, hit this zone, a break of that zone. We take TP there. Then another move at to 1946, which is somewhere here. Now, which means we are going to move this market to this zone. This is a respect of this zone. This is a break of that given zone. Now we expect, even with a break of this zone, we are going to buy to 1932. That is a break of 1926. And a break of 1906, we are going to sell to 1886. That is the first possible movement of gold. And that is our analysis of gold, the first analysis of gold we have done. That is the possible movement, and that is the first analysis of gold we are doing. And I think we are going to leave it at that given point. Now we'll be doing a review of the same if gold has not done what actually we analyze, and these are the possible moves of gold. If you want to trade gold this week, it is when we are on Tuesday. We have a lot of time. We have tomorrow. Tomorrow we expect high volatilities in the market. We have on Thursday. We have on Friday. Yes, we'll be checking. Even if you take one trade per week, that will be very good, because I'm considering a specialization on the NAS 100 and on the gold without doing other currencies pairs. But I always realize that it will be affecting my students, because I need to analyze the market with them. But of the same, I also need to do some specialization on this, and I will consider it in future. And if you wanna move with me, we can move together. Yes. Now, there's another analysis I wanna do in this market. There's another analysis I wanna do. This is the second analysis of gold. Remember, our main aim is here is to make money. This is the next analysis in gold. Yes. Next analysis of gold is there. Yes, just watch me. Then we also do the perfect movement of the same. This is I wanna show you the reason why we took this trade, a break of this zone. That one is why we bought, because I gave you a buy on gold last week, and we took those massive TP. That gold was moving on a channel. Now a break of this zone, that is why we bought. With this candle, we entered with this candle, we bought up to this given zone. Yes, and our TP was at 1910, 1890 hapo. There is where we took our TP. Now these are the possible movements of gold. We consider movement at this given zone. Yes, we consider movement of that given zone. Okay, just a minute. Then we'll be seeing the gold is moving on a channel. Can confirm this. That is the possible chart patterns, or the possible chart patterns I'm always talking about. You can see the movement of the gold in these chart patterns. You can confirm the same. Yes, this is a trend line. Draw the trend line. Yes. Now somebody might be trading gold this way, because you can be able to identify these given chart patterns of the same in gold. You can see this is the chart patterns you are able to. For somebody who want to trade gold on a short-term basis, you can see our main aim is just to make money. You can see somebody can take that short-term opportunity on the same. You grab these, and you can grab these. Now these are the possible moves, and these possible moves cannot be moved. It cannot be taken for only for about. This is a move which you don't expect, in 1 week, but I think we can even hold this trade for the next week of the same, because this analysis is proper analysis, simple and good analysis of the same. Now a break of this given zone, we are going to get on buys up to this zone, a respect of this given zone. Yes, respect of this given zone, you can see that is the possible move in this market. Now I think this is our analysis for the week on gold. We'll be coming and doing a review on the same. Has gold done basically what we did? as gold done basically what we did, that is remember we have two analyses of gold. You can always have two analyses or even one analysis. For now we have two analyses of gold. These are the analyses, those are the possible moves of gold. Now we'll consider the movement of the same, and we'll be taking those trades at the break of those given zone. Now, the most important thing in forex trading is basically your patience. Now, somebody will get some people starting to enter these given trades with these given candles, which is not safe for you. Now, this should touch at least 2 points. Yes, I think that zone has been touched, so that's not to miss some good opportunities on the market. I think that is now good, appropriate, or the same. It should be touching at least 2 points. Yes, that is good. Now, now after analyzing this, we'll take TP here. Break of this to tutachukua TP here. We take TP this one, and we take another TP at that given zone. Now we'll be watching gold. Basically, we'll be watching gold throughout the week, and we see. We have two analyses now for gold. We'll be seeing what is the possible moves of gold, where are we going to take our TP, and where are we going to take where are we going to enter our what is going to happen for gold throughout this week, because today is on a Tuesday. We expect a high movement of the market today and tomorrow. We expect high volatility in the market, because we always know that these are the times when the active traders are entering the market basically. Now, I think this is done. I always have a mentorship program of the same, where I charge 100 USD. Online physical is 200 USD. And if you're in Kenya, that is about 10,000. Online physical is about 20,000. Now, uh, if you wanna join my Telegram channel, I will always pin the link below there. And if you want to join my VIP signal group, I always charge $20 of the same, or 2,000 Kenyan shillings per month. The number will be pinned down below there. If you are a Kenyan, you can always consider paying to that number, and you DM with a screenshot to that given number via the WhatsApp or on the Telegram channel, on the Telegram, I mean. Now, for now, I want to plug you with my best broker, that is the XM. XM is one of the best brokers in the world, not only in Kenya but internationally. Now, I will be pinning the link below. Kindly go create account the XM. Once you create account with that link, deposit a minimum of 50 USD. DM me the same screenshot after creating a link with creating an account with that link. I will add you to my signal group for free if you create account with that link, and the confirmation must be done on the same. Guys, this one was a great video, and we'll be doing videos every day. We'll be doing analysis each and every day of this market, so that we can always know the history of the market. Now, if you want analysis of a given pair, you can comment down below there, or if you want a lesson of the same, you can comment down below there, so that we can do that analysis, or we can do that lesson for you. Thank you for supporting me, and bye bye.